How the Grinch Stole Christmas medley, Violin 1. We're going to be going through a quick walkthrough for this for intonation and counting. So number 1 is between intonation and our rhythms. So we're starting off with our C major with a lot of chromatics. So make sure you understand either low 2, low 3, regular 3, high 3, low 4, all of those things. Know the enharmonic names, whether we're being G, A flat, A, or G sharp, A, B flat, that kind of thing is really, really helpful. And I would definitely suggest doing third position for this, low 4 to high 4 to, that's possible to do. If you can do it, I find it to be much more consistent with having in third position. Have a pencil ready so that you can write in bowings, because that's really helpful. Professionals write in, students remember. Yeah. So we're starting this with a down bow in G major, starting on that G, A, B, C. Low 1, 2, 3, 3. You can do a high 4 if you want. If when that's a low 3, 4, then we walk up a chromatic. High 3, I like to do that one. You can totally do a low 4. We just don't want to slide into it. We want it to snap. E, F sharp, snap. And we have that accent, so we're going to stop our bow ever so slightly so that we can bite that. And I do have the trumpet cues in here of and that is an F sharp in measure 11 for that accent. And then we come in, pick up to 14. We're starting that with a down bow if you want to write that in, with the B flat. So we are in B flat major, that feeling, that key anyway. And we need to have the low 2 across the board, low 1 on the D, A, and E, low 4 on the A and E as well. We're swinging here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have some triplets thrown there. 1, 2, triplet 4. 1, 2, triplet 4. So get really comfortable with that. And the bowing, we want to be nice and relaxed with that. 1, 2, triplet 4. 1, 2, triplet 4. 1, or whatever the rhythm might be. A lot of hanging out here and making it nice and easy. I would like to do the Your Mean One, Mr. Grinch, at 60 so that we can really get that intonation in and not be rushed and really focus on what our fingers are doing and with the syncopation, all of that beauty. Almost all of those D flats I'm playing as a low 3. That's what's convenient for my fingers. I feel that to be nice. So pick up to 18 starts with a down bow. Pick up to 14 starts with a down bow. Down, up, down, up, down, up. So same with pick up to 19. Pick up to 23. We're starting with an up bow so that we can have a nice down bow for 23. And that's a nice long bow. So save it. Get close to your bridge. Whatever you need to do to sustain that sound. 26, that and we're starting with an upbeat. So a good rule of thumb, it's not 100%, but most of the time if we're on an upbeat, we're going to be doing an up bow so we can have a good downbeat. So that's a low 3, and we're swinging 1, 2, so we're coming on that 2, 3, 4, 3. Do not cut any of your quarter notes short. We need to sustain them so that it's not, we don't want this choppy. This is like this jazz, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bite. So we really, really want to have that come through. So pick up to 31 is also an up bow. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, da, 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 up, down, up, da, 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 da. So figure that one out for 32. that. We don't have to change any of that bowing there. So subdivide like crazy. At 33, I'm going to be saying triplet, triplet. And that's going to give me that time. Triplet, triplet. That's going to help you a lot. On the rest in measure 34, we're going to be seeing triplet on that quarter note because that's how long we're going to be holding it. And we need to be prepared to come in with triplet and not be surprised. A really good way to say triplet instead of triplet would be hickory. I really like hickory because it's really hard to swing that one. Hickory. And we're not doing that. It's hickory, hickory, hickory. That's very even syllables for us. So let's take it from 10 with that cue in there because I don't know if you're going to be playing the cue or not. We're going to be starting with an up bow because it's on the upbeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. F sharp. 1. Trip. 2, 3, 4. 2, triplet, trip. Trip. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I accidentally did a low one. 1 open 1, so not that low one. All right, continuing on from 26. Ready, go. 1. Up again. Triplet, trip. Triplet. 1, trip. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go into, because that was that flute cue right there, and then we'll be going into our He Carves the Roast Beast, and that is in C major. So what would be really convenient at 48 would be second position. The second position is definitely more skill level than what we want, and so doing those 1 to 4 octaves is hard. So if you want to do that extended 4 or 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. At 51, I would have a 2-2. I call it mash. So putting my second finger on both my A and my E. So I do 2, 2. I just write it in of 2, 2, just stacked on top. At 56, I would be shifted into third position, and I would stay up there. Probably until the last note of 64 or of 63, and then come down from there. So let's do 40 at 70 beats per minute, just to give us a run through. Ready, go. Low 2. Low 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, build, rest. Then low 2 again. 1, 2 on both. Oboe cue. And this is your play. 2, 3, 4, diminuendo. 2, lift, down bow for 56. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Come down in first position if you want. Low 4. Still low 4. 3 behind. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. I would change on this one, do a down bow. 2, 3, 4, so we can do this. That's what we want. So we can do that as an up bow. Okay, whole thing at 70 beats per minute. No stopping except for a rest. I'm going to be playing a cue, so we're not going to have too many. Measure 2, we're starting on a down bow. 1, 2, rest, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 1, triple it. Bite it. 2, 3, 4, 1. F sharp. Trip. 2, 3, 4. Triple it, trip. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 2, 3, 4. 1. Triple it, trip. Triple it. 1, a triple. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, Q, 4, 1. 2, 3, gently. Build, rest. Go to, rest. A bow cue. play. 2, bend. Oh, 3, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Come down if you want. Three behind. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, four. Build up. We're going to change bows. 3, 4. Stagger them. 2, 3, 4. Tremolo. 2, 3, 4. Off. All right. Great work. Let me know if you need any help with any of that. And happy practice.